Popular comedian Major Hype has been arrested. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Well-known comedian Majah Hype has been listed as an inmate in a prison in Georgia and is facing charges for simple battery and felony charges and making theoretic threats and acts. He has been detained at the Cobb County Sheriff's Office adult detention facility in Georgia for the past 4 days. According to the Cobb County Sheriff's Office, Hype, whose real name is Nigel Terrence Joseph, was arrested and processed on February 19, 2023 and remained in custody without bond. It was not immediately clear if the charges were in relation to a domestic abuse that has been stemming for some time now. In December of 2020, his ex-girlfriend Letitia Kirby Farrell made public accusation that he physically assaulted her. Major Hype, mostly known for his skits of reliable characters on social media and his own BET digital series, was arrested in January 2021. At the time, Hype was hit with 2 felony counts of kidnapping as well as theoretic threats and acts. He has also been charged with simple battery, a misdemeanor offense. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.